Kuta is a quiet fishing village in the past, like Jimbaran, where palm trees and quiet inconspicuous paths are at every step. Now it is a tourist center, cheerful, noisy, stormy, but which has its own zest and its own attraction of hundreds of people in one place.
Hello.
Kuta is a resort town in the south of the Indonesian island of Bali. Once it was a poor fishing village teeming with evil spirits, as the locals say. In fact, no one checked. In the 60s, hippies chose Kuta, and today it is one of the most popular vacation spots among young people. Another way to spend time in Kuta is shopping, which is the most interesting on the island here. Many shops and shopping centers are open for visitors, where you can buy clothes, shoes, surf equipment, souvenirs. There are supermarkets with inexpensive products in the resort. With a population of 1 million people from different countries, Toronto is Canada's largest metropolitan area. Today it is hard to believe that on the site of this shining city, the citadel of big business, there was a malaria swamp in 1790. Everyone knows where Toronto is located, near the famous Lake Ontario. The city is the capital of the Canadian province of the same name. It is one of the 10 best cities in the world with a high standard of living, is of great importance in the country's economy. It is believed that the name of the city was given by the language of the Hurons, one of the most powerful Indian tribes of North America at one time. According to historians, Toronto means meeting place in their language. This amazing city is a real tangle of contradictions. Varanasi is a contrasting combination of luxury and poverty, magnificent architecture, and dirt in the narrow streets of poor neighborhoods. Once the city was so beautiful that the supreme god Shiva himself and his wife Parvati wished to settle in it. It remains just as charmingly beautiful today. Now the city is one of the largest religious centers in India. Admirers of Shiva come here to die. It is here that it is customary to worship the Ganges, the goddess incarnation of the great river. Varanasi is a shrine for Buddhists, because in this city Buddha Shakyamuni began to preach his teachings. Ghent is a city in northern Belgium and the capital of East Flanders. It is a picturesque labyrinth of narrow old streets and canals, framed by quaint ancient buildings with gabled roofs and magnificent historical monuments. Ghent is one of the most beautiful and picturesque Belgian cities, which miraculously retained its medieval appearance and flavor. Its historical center is a magnificent architectural ensemble of old Gothic buildings and ancient churches. Ghent is famous for its cosmopolitanism, relaxed atmosphere, and rich history. In the Middle Ages, it was one of the richest and most influential cities in Europe, second only to Paris in size. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.